Selecting/excluding sets of columns in pandas. I would like to create views or data frames from an existing data frame based on column selections. For example, I would like to create a data frame df2 from a data frame df1 that holds all columns from it except two of them. I tried doing the following, but it didn't work. What am I doing wrong? Perhaps more generally, what mechanisms does pandas have to support the picking and exclusions of arbitrary sets of columns from a data frame?
You can either drop the columns you do not need or select the ones you need.
There is a new index method called difference. It returns the original columns, with the columns passed as argument removed. Here, the result is used to remove columns B and D from df. Note that it's a set-based method, so duplicate column names will cause issues, and the column order may be changed. Advantage over drop: you don't create a copy of the entire data frame when you only need the list of columns. For instance, in order to drop duplicates on a subset of columns.
Another option, without dropping or filtering in a loop.
You don't really need to convert that into a set.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.